Hi, this is Professor MJ, and I'm here to share a NBA pick for Thursday, February 4th. I teach statistics to university students, and I've started this YouTube channel with the hopes of helping as many people as I can to crush their bookies, just like I've been doing for more than 20 years. The NBA picks this season hold a 32-17-2 record against the spread, which amounts to a 65.3% win percentage. And I just realized that the last 7 predictions were all winners, so we are on a hot streak. Today's play is not based on one of my 5 NBA betting systems, like the blowout that I've told you about previously. This time, the pick comes from my mathematical model that projects the score of each game. When the actual line differs significantly from my model's prediction, I bet the appropriate side. So, the free NBA pick of the day for Thursday, February 4th goes to over 226.5 points in the Jazz vs. Hawks game. I shared this pick at around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time with my members, and at that time the line was 225.5, but it has gone up since then. So it makes me feel even better about my bet at 225.5. We have 3 more days until the Super Bowl. Sorry, Bucs fans, I don't have a helmet for all NFL teams, including Tampa. So I invite you to check out my 2 videos about the big game. One that presents my pick against the spread on the game, and the other where I share 3 Super Bowl proposition bets. Go ahead and check them out. I'll see you next time, my friend.